Hello. Today, I want to share with you a revolutionary new way to make money fast using the power of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced language model that can be used for a variety of tasks, including content creation, data analysis, and even financial forecasting. By utilizing the capabilities of ChatGPT, you can gain a significant advantage in the world of business and finance. One way to make money fast using ChatGPT is to use it for content creation. With its advanced language capabilities, ChatGPT can write high-quality articles, blog posts, and even books in a fraction of the time it would take a human. This can save you a great deal of time and money, and allow you to focus on other aspects of your business or financial goals. Another way to make money fast using ChatGPT is to use it for data analysis. With its ability to process vast amounts of data in a matter of seconds, ChatGPT can help you identify trends, patterns, and opportunities that you might have otherwise missed. This can allow you to make better informed decisions, and take advantage of opportunities that other people might not even know exist. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used for financial forecasting. With its ability to process and analyze large amounts of financial data, ChatGPT can help you make more accurate predictions about market trends, stock prices, and even currency exchange rates. This can help you make better informed investment decisions, and increase your chances of success in the world of finance. Another way ChatGPT can help you make money quickly is by assisting with the creation of profitable e-commerce stores. By analyzing market trends and identifying high-demand products, ChatGPT can help you select the right items to sell and optimize your store for maximum profitability. Using ChatGPT to automate repetitive tasks can free up valuable time that can be used to focus on more profitable endeavors. For example, ChatGPT can be used to automate customer service inquiries or product research, allowing you to focus on growing your business. ChatGPT can also help you identify new revenue streams by analyzing your existing data and identifying areas of untapped potential. For example, ChatGPT can help you identify new customer segments or product lines that could be profitable for your business. Another way ChatGPT can help you make money quickly is by assisting with the creation of profitable affiliate marketing campaigns. By analyzing market trends and identifying high-performing products, ChatGPT can help you select the right items to promote and optimize your campaigns for maximum profitability. ChatGPT can also assist with the creation of profitable paid advertising campaigns by analyzing data and identifying the most effective targeting strategies and ad formats. Another way ChatGPT can help you make money quickly is by assisting with the creation of profitable online courses. By analyzing market trends and identifying high-demand topics, ChatGPT can help you create a course that will be in high demand and maximize profitability. Using ChatGPT for market research can give you a competitive edge by providing you with valuable insights into your industry and the needs of your customers. This can help you make more informed business decisions and increase your profitability. ChatGPT can also assist with the creation of profitable email marketing campaigns by analyzing data and identifying the most effective subject lines, content, and targeting strategies. Another way ChatGPT can help you make money quickly is by assisting with the creation of profitable apps and software. By analyzing market trends and identifying high-demand features, ChatGPT can help you create a product that will be in high demand and maximize profitability. Another way ChatGPT can help you make money quickly is by providing you with valuable insights into the stock market. By analyzing large amounts of financial data and identifying patterns, ChatGPT can help you make informed decisions about which stocks to buy and sell. This can be especially useful for those who are new to investing and want to learn more about the stock market. ChatGPT can also assist you in creating a budget and sticking to it. By analyzing your income and expenses, ChatGPT can help you identify areas where you can cut costs and prioritize your spending. This can be a great way to save money and reach your financial goals faster. Finally, ChatGPT can help you automate certain tasks and streamline your workflow. For example, ChatGPT can assist you in setting reminders, scheduling appointments, and managing your calendar. This can help you stay organized and on top of your to-do list, which can ultimately lead to more time and energy to focus on making money. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used to make money fast and easily. Whether you're looking to create content quickly, analyze data, or forecast financial trends, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals. By utilizing the capabilities of ChatGPT, you can gain a significant advantage in the world of business and finance, and achieve financial success in no time. Please, like, share, comment and subscribe for more.